What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. I've got a 2004 Yamaha V Star 1100 Classic. And this is going to be one of our bargain bike specials. So we're going to sell it as is. We test rode it, got it cleaned up, and made sure it passed the Texas State inspection. It's got the two-tone black metallic X and Baja brown metallic paint scheme. Now the bike is not the belle of the ball, but she is reliable. It's a great running bike. And really, so right here on the frame you can see it scratched up on that down tube, which is just purely cosmetic. The side panel's scratched up. This passenger floorboard is missing the rubber insert. That'd be real easy for you to get. Again, we're just gonna sell this one as is. It's got a Mustang 2-up touring seat. Unfortunately, it's ripped right here. Again, purely cosmetic. It's got a set of throw-over saddlebags. It's got the passenger backrest with the luggage rack. It's got a set of Avon grips. There's a slight little dent on the gas tank. You can kind of see it right there. 1100cc carbureted V-twin, 5-speed transmission. Again, the bike runs great. Nice tall windshield. Good front tire. There's a few little marks on the front fender. It's got the heel toe shifter. Chrome looks to be in pretty nice shape. These cables right here, the outside rubber or whatever it is, I don't know how they get like that. It's not metal, but it looks like rust. They're just discolored. Got a little windshield storage pouch. And the rear fender had some cosmetics. Good tire on the rear. The bike has 39,366 miles. Need a good, reliable, affordable bike, this might be the one for you. It's going to get you where you need to go. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.